Hello everyone. Yesterday I have left some part of logical operator. You can say that arithmetic operator. So I am telling about something logical operator, as well as also tell you about the matrix. So first you go to the file and new, then R script, or you can also use the plus sign. Okay, this is the new food part. Yesterday I have told you about the I want to do the some addition, then I normally use the 3 and plus 4. It's give the, sorry, I have cleared all this. It's give the, if I run this, it's give the output. Okay, now same thing, if I want to this is the addition. Now same, I want to multiplication. So in multiplication I am using 3. Multiplication is star shift and star, like 4. If you click and run, it's give the output. Same thing is I want to division. Then I am using board mass. You know, the if you have taken the math, then there is very common word is board mass. So there is, I am using the board. So first it add the number, then it divide. 2 5s are 10. First is because in board mass first we add the number, then we divide. Okay. Now I am using the exponent shape. Exponent exponential. So 2 का हम देखना चाहते हैं. दिस इज द कैरेट साइन, यूरो साइन भी बोलते हैं sometimes. So it's multiply 2 2 5 times 2, then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16, and 16 2s are 32. So it's give the exponentiation output. Okay. Next I want to create a vector. One to 10. This column. Sorry. So I have taken a variable logic. This is arrow symbol, C and 1:10. Let's give the output. Hello. Let's print the 1 to 10. Okay. Now I want to see the value greater than 5. So it's give the 5 false, false, false. This is the boolean value because first time loop examine that then it's give the 1 is less than 5, then condition is false, then again it loop second time, then second, third, 5 time is false, 1 2 3 4 5 times is false. Next when he again checking the condition that there is 5 is greater than 6, so that's the condition is true. Okay, so that's why it's give the 5 times false and 5 times true. Next I want to print the 5 and 6. 5 6, so bracket के इस bracket के अंदर is a parenthesis, then give the condition. Sorry, going to wait. Is greater than 4. Now I am using the AND operator, and is less than 7. Let's give the 5 and 6 output. There I have give the condition that variable name that greater than 4 is greater than 4, condition, and operator than less than 7. So is greater than 4 is 5 and less than 7 is 6. So let's give the output 5 and 6. Okay. Now I want to start the matrix. How to create the matrix? As we know, the matrix is a function in our in it's called the two-dimension array, and has the m number of rows and n number of columns. In other words, matrix in our programming is combination of two or more vector with the same data type. In matrix, we always take a same data types, and it's not possible that we can create the matrix more than two-dimensional using the array. So now I show you how to create the matrix. Okay. This is the first. First, we want to construct the matrix. How to construct the matrix? Matrix with 5 rows and by row is equal to 2. By default, by row and by column, all are by default it is false. But if I give the condition true, that it show the matrix in different way, not to say different. I show you the example. If I am using the true and then I am using the false, by row is true and by row is false. How is the difference between true and false if we give the condition true or false? Okay. So first I have taken the variable matrix, then matrix now I want to create 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so comma by row is equal to, all are inbuilt function, so row comma number of rows is equal to 5. N rows mean number of rows and n column is number of columns. First I am taking the number of rows. Okay, now print. Let's give the output 1 2 3 4 5. Let's give the 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8 9 10. One column wise it's given. Now I am creating the if I am checking the dimension, then dim, dim, then variable name 5 2, because this is the 5 rows and 2 columns. Okay, now I want to same thing. I am using the false. That time I am taken the true value, true, by row is true. Now I want to take it is false. Okay, so always remember that there is in R or Python we only use the symbol underscore. If I want to use the other symbol, it's give the error. If I use the dollar sign, that is give me the error. So always use the underscore. Just I am taking the another variable and using the same thing, but to there is I'm using the false. Okay, so there is a difference between true and false. It show the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If I give the condition false, and if I give the condition is true, then 1 2 column wise is 1 2 3 4. There is the mainly different both true and false. So always give the condition is false. Now the my question is that we never use any or never use the other symbols, only it's you use the underscore. If I am using dollar sign or anything symbol, you can use this like then it's working, it's not working. Only in Python and R, both in there we can use only underscore. Underscore is valid symbol. Okay, now next now I am using the, that time I am using the n row, and next is I am using the n column, number of columns. So I am taking the new variable That time I am using the 12, 1 to 12. It gives, okay, by row, is equal to false, comma, in n column. N column is equal to 3. I have taken 3 columns. Okay. MAT. Now I am done this. This gives the 3 column because I have mentioned there number of column is 3 and row is 12. 3 column 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12. Okay. Now see the dimension. It shows the 4 by 3, 4 rows. This is the 4 rows, 1 2 3 4 and 3 column. Okay. Now I want to combine the column. I want to combine the column C bind using the C bind function. So C bind means column bind. हमें किस पे करना है, टू मैट अंडरस्कोर 1 जो हमारा ये which is my first mat 1. I want to combine the column in mat 1. So I am taking the new variable. Okay. Then C bind. These are the all inbuilt function. Now I want to which matrix I want to combine the column mat underscore 1. Okay, comma, then how many columns I want to combine I am using C1 to 5. Now print. So it's combined 1 2 3 4 5. My if I show you my MAT underscore 1 M, this one, that time it's have the only 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and there is one column is add. This the 3 1 2 3 4 5 because I have combined the column wise. So and 5 numbers. So there is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now I want to check the dimension. It's give the 5 rows, 5 rows. This one there. 5 rows and three columns. 5 rows and 3 columns. This is the next is now I want to add the I am creating a new column. Where I want the 13 to 24. It print the 30 to 24 and by row is equal to false. And column is equal to 3. Is print the 13, 14, 15 to 24 because I am giving the 30 to 24. Okay. Now there I am using the concatenate. Concatenate the column. Row bind. Append. Append rows and see. Now I'm taking the which matrix I have taken. Mat 2. row is not showing the is equal to false. I use first and column is 3. Okay. I show the value. Okay, 1 to 12. Okay. And my T, I give the other. Oh, sorry, there is problem in bracket because I have taken 2 bracket by mistake. I have, so that's why I'm thinking why I have taken. Now it's working. So I have taken the extra bracket. So you always remember that there is compulsory the open bracket and close bracket. If you have any extra bracket, that is give the error. So it print them. Now I want to come add a new row. So I am taking the new variable add code. Where is the column is 1, 2, 3. So it's at the new column in 1, 2, 3. I think there is some problem. I, okay, okay. So it's at the row. Now I want to append the matrix. I show you what I or bind. I want to binding the row in which matrix 2 and add row. It's bind the row also in mat 2. Okay. Now let's see what happened. Now you see that there is 1 2 3, it's added. If you see the mat 2, this is the mat 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I want to that's why I am confusing why I am not showing the answer. So now it's append the row. So 4 8, after 4 8 there is 1 2 3, it's added because I want to row binding, so that's why it's add in the last. Okay. Now checking the dimension. Three by 5 by 1 2 3 4 5 and 3 columns, 5 rows and 3 columns. Okay. Now I am using the slicing. Slice the matrix. How to extract the data in matrix. Okay. Then I am using the mat underscore 2 and where I want the 1 rows for first row and second column. Okay. this is the row part and this is the column. First row and second column. Run this. This is giving the error, that's why I'm now again I am run this. Just wait, I'll clear all this thing. Now I am run again. Okay, because I am not printing the, sometimes it give the error if you not print the variable, it not show. So many times we start. Yes. This is the actual matrix mat2. Okay, now I am adding the 1 to 3 columns, then it add the 1 to 3. Now I want to append in my mat, it append the 1 to 3. Okay, this is the dimension 5 3. Now I want to slicing. Why are you showing the answer? There is something I have taken again other. There I am using 1 to 3 rows in which we show the column wise 2 and 3. Hope so it work, but it also working. You are trying that it's working, but yeah, there is it show the output. So 1 to 3 is a 1 to 3 is my row, and data access to 2 and 3's column. So it extract 5 6 1 to 3 is a 1 2 3 2 1 2 2 and 3 is a column. This is the column 2 and 3, and there it extract the 5 6 7 and 9 10 11. This is extract. It's also working. You try it. It's working. Why it's not working in my console area? So it's working. I want to, so you understand, I want to extract the 1 to 3 column. Is it 2 and 3? This is the my column 2 and 3, and extract the 1 to 3 1 to 3 is my row. Then is take 2 and 3 rows and extract 2 and 3 columns. Then is take the 5 6 7 2 to 3 columns and 9 10. Okay, now now I want to select all elements of first column. So this is my variable mat tool, and I want to extract all elements in first column. Okay, if I run, so it's give the 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 and 4 1, all columns. This is extract the all only first, because I want to select element first column. It's this one is the output 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1. This is the
Please
same
subscribe
thing
my channel.
in opposite. In row, first row, extract have